I don't know about you, but words have the ability to make my heart sing and smile. Sure, words with no follow through or words that seem ingenuine never land too well, and yet words can influence our connections with others. So today's video is pretty simple. Men love a little bit of word action. Men like to hear nice things, just like you and me. Though not all words are alike, and what men like to hear is not necessarily the same as what women like to hear. So stay with me to find out the 8 things men want to hear you say. Why does this matter to you? Because men want to spend time with a woman he feels good being around, and words are a powerful way to create this kind of desire within him. What you must know is that the things a man wants to hear are not necessarily something he'll ever ask you to say, because many men don't feel comfortable expressing their needs or even consciously know what they need to feel connected, wanted, and appreciated. So when you say these specific things, he will feel a flutter in his heart because he will feel that he's of value to you. And men love this. Hi, I'm Nadine Peart, a dating and lasting attraction coach for women and the founder of Healthy You, Healthy Love. I'm also the creator of 4 world-leading love and relationship programs, including Unlock His Heart and Never Lose Him. If you've not heard of me, then this is the place to be as I answer all of your unanswered questions about understanding men, wholehearted commitment, and lasting attraction. So here are the 8 things you can whisper into his ear or shout from the rooftops that make a man feel good. Number 1, let him know you appreciate him. Appreciation is a fuel for any relationship. Any man would love to hear he's good at something. And I don't mean just sex. He'd love it if you appreciate his job or his handyman skills or the way he listened to you or the way he helped a friend in need. And if you say these kinds of appreciative words in front of his friends and family, he will love it even more. There's nothing quite like praise in front of an audience. Number 2, let him know you love him just as he is. An adult man is not an amorphous piece of potential for you to shape. He's an adult man who would want to hear few things more than that you love him just as he is, that he needs no improvements. Sure, an effective relationship requires 2 people to be invested in learning and growing, and you still have to love him for who he is today, not what he can potentially be or who you think he needs to be. Number 3, minimize the drama between you. Few men are fans of drama queens. Men like their lives easy rather than needlessly difficult. So even after an argument, tell him you're still good and confident you will work things out, rather than punishing him for days with passive-aggressive torture. Number 4, let him know he makes you proud. You're with this man and not another because amongst the many other things that attracted you to him, there is something that makes you proud. Yes, proud to be with him. It could be his knowledge in an area or his capacity for compassion or anything really. So tell him you're proud of him. He'd love to hear it. But if you're not proud, then perhaps it's time to reassess the relationship. If you don't like the character of the man you're with, then this is another topic altogether. Number 5, let him know being with him adds to your happiness. That's the point, right? You're with him because he adds something to your life. He may not be sure about how he makes you feel, and as we all know, sadly, men are not mind readers, so let him know. Of course, no man is responsible for your happiness, though if you've got a kind and loving man in your life who's good to you, let him know it. This will make him feel good. Number 6, be sure to let him know he can have his space. He will love you forever for this. No one likes to feel confined in a relationship or under constant control. If you feel he could do with a mood boost and you want to tell him something he'll love, Tell him it's fine by you for him to have fun without you sometimes. This is huge. I did a whole chapter on this in my program, Unlock His Heart, so check it out below. Number 7, let him know he's useful. Evolution is a process, but men still like to feel useful and they like to hear it from you. Yes, we're perfectly capable of taking care of everything ourselves, but is it worth it when you can outsource stuff you don't exactly enjoy or just to lighten the load? He'll appreciate it. Number 8, let him know that you're not always right. Let's be honest, a lot of us are very stubborn when it comes to admitting that we've done or said something abruptly, meanly, or with lack of thought. Nobody likes it, but it's a part of life. Nobody's perfect, and nobody wants to be with someone who thinks they are never wrong. Admitting you were wrong and saying sorry would make your man feel good. It will also make you feel good, I promise. Humility is a necessary ingredient to rein in our ego and build intimacy. There you have it. It's so simple, and this is one of those videos you might want to save so you can refer back to it later, because using these words is such an easy way to make someone you care about feel good about themselves and about your relationship. Of course, please comment and share your thoughts about this video. Maybe you have some sweet words of your own that men love to hear that you can share with us, or even words men don't like to hear. Also, please share this video with your friends, and just in case you've not yet subscribed to this channel, hit the red button below the video and the bell button to get notified of our new videos each week. Thank you for being part of the Healthy You, Healthy Love community. Look after you, be kind to your man, and love a little more every day in some way. See you again soon.